The crypto winter is coming. The market is bracing for a period of intense volatility and uncertainty. Will your portfolio survive? Investors everywhere are asking this critical question. Cryptocurrency, wild swings, sudden crashes, incredible gains. The market is known for its unpredictability. Is it a bubble, a revolution, maybe both? The debate continues as the market evolves. One thing is certain, crypto winters are coming. These periods of downturn are inevitable. Like clockwork, the crypto market experiences cyclical downturns. These cycles are part of the market's nature. These periods of intense cold can wipe out fortunes and leave investors wondering what went wrong. The impact can be devastating. But winter is also a time for reflection, for building, for separating the strong from the weak. It's a period of opportunity for those who are prepared. Understanding the forces at play during these downturns is crucial for survival. Knowledge and strategy are key. Some sectors will crumble while others will emerge stronger, forged in the fires of adversity. The market will reshape itself. To navigate the next crypto winter, we need to examine three key areas: stablecoins, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These could be the pillars of the future market. Are they just hype, or do they hold real value that can weather the storm? Let's find out. The answers could determine the future of your investments. Stablecoins, safe haven, or ticking time bomb? This is the question on everyone's mind as the crypto market continues to evolve. Stablecoins aim for stability. They're pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar, providing a sense of security in an otherwise volatile market. This makes them attractive during volatile periods, offering a refuge when the market is unpredictable and prices are swinging wildly. Traders seek refuge from the storm in stablecoins, hoping to protect their investments from the chaos of the crypto market. But are they truly safe? This is a critical question as the market matures and new challenges arise. The 2022 crash of Terra USD sent shockwaves through the crypto world, shaking the confidence of many investors. It highlighted the risks of algorithmic stablecoins, which rely on complex algorithms rather than tangible assets to maintain their value. However, over-collateralized stablecoins backed by real assets remained resilient, showing that not all stablecoins are created equal. This suggests a future where stablecoins play a vital role in the crypto ecosystem, but with greater regulation and transparency to ensure their stability and trustworthiness. DeFi revolutionizing finance or building castles in the sand. Decentralized finance or DeFi is ambitious. It wants to replace traditional financial systems, lending, borrowing, trading, all without intermediaries. The potential is huge, but so are the risks. During the 2022 crash, DeFi protocols suffered, liquidations cascaded through the system. However, the underlying technology remained strong. DeFi continued to evolve. New protocols emerged, focused on security and sustainability. The next bear market will test DeFi's resilience. Only the most robust and innovative platforms will survive. NFTs, the digital craze of 2021. Everyone from celebrities to your neighbor was buying them. But when the market crashed, so did many NFT projects. However, it's important to remember that NFTs are more than just digital art. They represent ownership in the digital world. This technology has applications far beyond collectibles. Think supply chain management, digital identity, and even real estate. The next bull run will likely see a resurgence of NFTs, but with a focus on utility and real-world value. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's no longer a fleeting trend, but a significant part of the financial ecosystem. But not all projects will survive. Many will fall by the wayside, unable to withstand the pressures of the market. Bear markets are a natural part of the cycle. They serve as a reality check, reminding us that not every venture is built to last. They weed out the weak and allow the strong to flourish. Stablecoins, DeFi, and NFTs all have the potential to revolutionize their respective industries. These innovations are not just buzzwords, they represent real opportunities for transformation and growth. However, they must adapt, innovate, and prove their worth. The landscape is competitive and only the most resilient will thrive. The next crypto winter is coming. It's a period of consolidation and reflection. Will your portfolio be ready? Preparation and knowledge are key. The answer lies in understanding the underlying value of your investments. Research and due diligence are crucial. Look beyond the hype and focus on the fundamentals. True value is often hidden beneath the surface. Only then can you truly navigate the crypto landscape and emerge stronger on the other side. The journey is challenging but rewarding for those who persevere.